Okay, so what we're going to attempt to do is make a cute little alien. Got my round cutter, my oval cutter, which you can see is the same width as the round one, little paring knife, these tools here, and Sculpey clay. I like to go for Sculpey, just the Sculpey 3, because it's a little bit stickier than the Primo or the Souffle, and I find that the stickiness is actually quite helpful in helping to keep parts together. So I've rolled out some silver Sculpey. So it's just a matter of cutting a circle. I've already used my little oval cutter to cut out some green. So I'm just going to place that on the bottom there. And it's kind of nice to smush the little edges together. And that will cook well and stick, no problems. So from there, I'm going to decide where I want my eyeballs. Now, a lot of people, when they make eyes, will just roll a white ball of clay and push it directly on top. I find that by putting a little indent, you can control the size of what you want the circle to be, but it just looks tidier and I think sticks better. So from there, I'm going to say, using my round cutter, give it a little mouth. Oops. And put another indent there so that eventually it looks like his mouth is open. So while we're still using the green, just take a little chunk off for his little antenna. Another little circle. Sometimes the biggest problem with using clay is just the fibres that are in the air or even coming off of your clothes. This probably isn't the best to wear because the fibres somehow seem to always land directly on the clay, especially if you're using white clay. So don't be afraid if you get fibres on your work to get a baby wipe and wipe them off. And you can be quite brutal when rubbing the baby wipe over the clay. I might make this one a little bit bigger, so I'll just add a bit on top. Okay, so there's my eyeballs, then a little indent for the pupil. And then a bigger piece for the inside of its mouth, which if you flatten it, kind of creates a bit more of a depth to it. Now from there, I've got some little balls of the green Sculpey. Just roll them into a little sausage, kind of bend them over a little bit of a bend. They become the eyebrow. Or eyelid, sorry. And I imagine you could do these in any colour you like, with as many eyeballs as you like, whether it be 1, 4, whatever you think you can fit, really. I'm going to give him some little lips. Just roll a little sausage for the top and bottom lip. Whoops. And now 2 larger little balls we can shape for the ears. So we'll just get them the same size roughly. It's best just to measure up the 2 little balls of clay first rather than do one ear and stick it on and then try and guess the other. You can say they look about right. Then I just kind of roll a bit of a tip. Oh, I can see a fibre. I can see a fibre on there. Where are we? Oops, sorry. There's a fibre on there, but we'll just make sure that is underneath. And we push that on. Same for the other side. And that is a little alien. Pretty simple, very cute. And I hope you can go and make some and try some different colours and different number of eyes. Thanks for watching.